This is the unboxing of the Tamron 28-75 lens made by Tamron for the Sony FE mount. So this is the local set distributed for Malaysia, and this is a lens with all the details that you can find on the Google, with a 7mm the documentations, warranty by DSC Malaysia, DSC World Malaysia. The documentations and the lens itself. How to open it is to pull this one out. Out of the box. I already own this same model, and this is unboxing for a friend's bought the same lens. So this is it on a A7 model body. It is very well balanced, not that big, not that small, and it is approximately the same weight as the body, so the lens won't be front heavy or back heavy, and you can use it on the video, for video shooting as well, especially on the gimbal. It's easier to balance this, and usually when I use it to balance, I'll put it at 50mm on the gimbal, at 28mm or 75mm, without straining the motor of the gimbal that much. So this is it. Thank you very much. Please wait for the next review or the full review of the lens. It will come out probably soon. Thank you.